Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
Guys, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's so echoey in here. Okay, anyways, today I'm going to show you how I am going to do my tumbler. So someone bought a tumbler and I got some pretty glitter. So look how pretty this is. It has really pretty reflex and stuff. Sorry about the noise. I'm in the bathroom. There's an echo and I have my heater on because I need it to be at least 75 degrees in the bathroom for my epoxy to be like all good and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is pour some glitter in here. And it's just, you can buy this really anywhere or on Amazon, of course. But I'm gonna attempt to pour this in there. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, then let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully this comes out great because it's my first time using like chunky glitter, and I'm using the name Tina. This is from woodiesgoodies.com. So this is 2 ounces of glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my camera differently and stuff. And yeah, if you could just hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell as well. And let's get started on this tumbler before my baby wakes up, because yeah, I want to try to do this like as calmly as possible. So let's get started.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family.
I seriously was rushing to is it funny? I was seriously rushing to do that tumbler because my son woke up from his nap, and I usually try to get stuff done when he takes his nap, but he woke up crying and stuff, so I'm just gonna put music over, like me putting the glitter on there. Then there was like this one part, like as soon as I started applying the glitter, it wasn't recording, so I was like, no! But I still got some footage for you guys, and I think the glitter is gonna be so nice. Like, it already looks really pretty, but wait until I put more epoxy on top of it. That might be a different video because I do have to wait hours for it to cure and all that stuff. So yeah, so that's what I'm waiting for. But I did the first, well, like the second step, I spray painted it and all that stuff. So now I just gotta wait. And yeah, I think it's gonna come out really pretty. So enough about tumblers, y'all. So I don't know if y'all seen that Elf has came out with their new CC cream. It's looking like a foundation now, from some of the reviews I've seen. So I want to test it out. So I'm going to, well, I already placed my order for it on Elf Cosmetics on their website, because they don't have that CC cream in stores just yet. I think next year they're going to be having it in stores. So I figured, let me just buy it. I bought the concealer. I messed up. I wanted to buy the hydrating one, but I ended up getting the 16-hour camo concealer. It's okay. And then I bought some more brow pencil because I'm almost out of mine. And then you get, if you spend $25, you get to choose 2 free gifts. So hopefully I get those. I chose like a powder brush and a shadow stick. So I chose that. But since I wanted a different concealer, I decided to reach out to the customer care service or whatever. I emailed them real quick and I was like, hey, just placed my order. Is there any way you can change it? Instead of the 16-hour one, can I get the hydrating one? Because, I mean, I literally just placed this order. Is there any way you can change it? And then they hit me back with an email. Sorry, we can't do that. We'll just cancel your order. We're canceling your order. And I was like, excuse me? No. So I'm like on my phone, on my email, writing them all like fast and stuff. I'm just like, no, I don't want you to cancel my order. Like, I want what I purchased, you know, because the shade that I got was 240W, and like literally the other day it was sold out. So I was just like, no, what if it sells out? And also, if you're a student, you guys, they give 50% off student discount. In the beginning, when you can put a code in, it doesn't work, but when you're literally about to check out, put that code in, whatever code it gives you for your 15% off, it works. So I got 15% off as well, off of my items. So that was awesome. But yeah, I was going back and forth like with this lady, and I was just like, I don't want my stuff canceled or whatever. Like, no. I was like, just asked a simple question, you know, like all you had to say was like, sorry, no, we can't do that. Would you like me to cancel? But no, she was like, I canceled your order. Excuse me. But then I was telling my husband what was happening. He's at work. And oh my gosh, he was like, just call them. So I got the number on their website, and luckily someone answered right away, and I told the lady what happened and stuff, and she's like, oh, okay. Let me look it up. Maybe they didn't cancel it just yet, or I can, you know, fix it or whatever. Luckily, she said it's not canceled, but she was like, if you get an email saying that it is canceled, then I'll just send you, you know, a free one or whatever, just for like the hassle that I went through and stuff. So I thought that was really nice, because if they canceled my order, I was like, oh, I'm probably not gonna repurchase, because I felt so down about it, you guys, like seriously. But so the lady I talked to on the phone, she wrote me an email. She wrote me an email and she was like, your order isn't canceled, so I'm good to go. So I'm just waiting for my confirmation, like that it's shipped and stuff. It should ship out today is what she told me. So hopefully I can review that maybe sometime next week or the week after. So we'll see how fast I get my products and stuff, because I am really interested in this CC cream there. Everybody's comparing it to the IT Cosmetics one. And yeah, I'll talk more about it when I receive those items. But yeah, today is just going to be a chill day. Really not doing anything the rest of the day. Just waiting for hubby to get home and stuff. And I don't have to cook because I have leftovers from yesterday. So that's awesome. Beba's over here playing with the remote. And yeah, I kind of want to find a new show. So if you guys have any show recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. And I think I'm just gonna leave the video off here, something short and stuff. And I know I can ramble on sometimes, but so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later on the next video and stuff. We'll chat it up on the next video. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Doesn't matter.